Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to tell about two things. One is importance of communication skills, and this is majorly for freshers, and in case if anyone wants to know about this communication skill video, even they can have a look at it. Then the second point of view is which going to tell you about is investment banking forum, about a webinar session which is being conducted since last 1 year. So coming to this post, I hope you're able to view my screen. So this post I have shared 4 months back. So this is for commerce background freshers. So there are lots of interview rounds which are conducted in each and every company. If you check here in this particular video, you are able to see that aptitude test plays an important role in certain companies. Initially, in especially like companies like Amazon, say though they usually conduct interviews they usually conduct interviews like with a aptitude round. So the first round will be the aptitude round. So try to make sure you are able to crack that interview round and try to give concentration on that particular questions, and some cameras will be visible where to avoid some many malpractice. And meanwhile, the next round would be like email writing. So ANZ is a company where they have email writing round. So where they'll give a scenario how to in case if a customer is facing any issue and you need to calm him down or try to give a reply mail based on two scenarios they'll be giving, and you'll be having a email writing round. So I'm just giving an example like what kind of companies can have an email writing round. Then speak about a topic. So this depends on company to company. So in case if it is a BPO or certain companies, they might even ask speak about a topic. Either they will tell us to speak about your own topic. If not, they will give a topic and you need to speak on that. So they can check your oral communication skills on spot. Then group discussion, GD. So group discussion, even some companies has this particular interview round. So in a group of people, so you need to answer a question, or if not, you need to give an opinion on that particular topic. So the HR will try to analyze and judge how well you're able to speak properly. And then later part, I have even uploaded one video where there is a aptitude group which I take care. And in case if anyone is interested to know about that, and especially MBA finance or BCom freshers, let me know. I'll try to add you in that group. So next is improve your skills. See, there are communication skills. It will take some time, like it will take at least minimum 8 months, 10 months. So it's not easy task where you can get it on spot. So skills matters a lot. The written communication skills or oral skills, how you frame a sentence, pronunciation, sentence formation, where to put full stop, where to put comma. So these are the things which you need to keep in mind. Try to speak with your friends in English, so that really helps. And try to speak in front of mirror. Try to watch English channels like tourism channels like BBC, TLC, Fox Life. So these kind of channels will really help you. Then newspaper, Times of India would be preferable. So try to have a habit of reading magazines. Go to a public library. So in every city we have a public library. Uh, Try to be part of that. Try to read lot of books in that library, magazines. So go with your friends, or if not alone, so try to explore yourself. You will learn a lot. It's not only about mingling only with your friends. Try to even explore yourself. So skills I have told you. Next is the knowledge. So whichever field you are applying for, be it a KYC AML, or if not investment banking, accounts, taxation, US mortgage. So try to make sure you know some basics about it so that you will be able to crack the interview round. And if it is an investment banking company, or be it a Goldman Sachs, try to know what is shares, what is stock market, equity, derivative, trade finance, foreign exchange. So and mathematical calculation matters a lot in certain interviews. So you might have even have some interview rounds where it has some statistics questions. And grammar is like sentence formation. So some interview rounds will have a test where you need to fill up the blanks or try to write a paragraph, there would be one paragraph and you need to type it again the same way, similar to a typing skills or typing speed test. Then, in case, so here I've mentioned here in the note, in case if you're an expert in cracking aptitude interview, so I have mentioned that if anyone is able to crack that interview round or aptitude round, or if you have attended any bank exams, just let us know in this particular comment box. Or if not, let me know, I will just tell about. So in case if you want to get to know about this post, you can type it in LinkedIn search box as interview rounds Shashi Kumar E, so that you will get this particular post in LinkedIn. So this was posted 4 months back. So it's not easy task to get a job post which is 4 months old. So try to have a check on that. And meanwhile, I have one more set of information here in this particular post which has been shared 2 months back, which I feel like sharing it to you. So if you see here, yeah, the lecturers in the college management or the placement team, so they should be aware about LinkedIn platform. So inform this platform how it works, how well it is important, how people are sharing openings. Try to tell them, because some are not aware about it. So at least they'll be able to tell the current students who are facing issues in this uh, work from home situation, like where we are all doing in where online classes are going on. So try to inform to them, they would be happy to know, or they'll be happy to learn about it. And before joining, this is important, post graduation, be it a MBA or MCom, so try to make sure what kind of companies they are tied up with. So it should not be sales, it should not be something which is irrelevant company. And how much, what is the guarantee of getting that campus placement, how much percentage you need to get in order to get eligible. So try to make sure you ask all these things. If not, you will be blamed for, or if not, you would be in trouble. And post graduation, unless and until it is mandatory, or if you feel that it would be beneficial for your job search, please try to do it. And then, yeah, college also, like try to opt for a better college, maybe post your 12th or 10th standard, so that, and do it in a particular city, it would be very much good. And in case if you get any juniors who ask any doubts, try to guide them properly. Don't ever tell that I'm not aware or I might not be the right person. Tell them whatever you know, the good things. If not, tell them to reach out to me, so I would be able to take care further. So communication skills is really important. Keep an eye on it. The more and more, if you are unable to learn this communication skills properly, you won't be able to crack the interview properly. And next, the last tip which I'm going to tell about is investment banking forum. So here in this post, if you see, I'm going to Syed page. So here in this profile, where I'm going to his activity post column, and here you will be able to see a post which is been shared related to investment banking forum. So try to be part of this session, weekend webinar. So this page has nearly 13,600 followers. So try to be part of this session and check this page and try to spread this information to other people as well. So I'm just going to this page now. So click post column. So 3 weeks back, they have posted about a weekend webinar session. regarding cryptocurrencies. So I hope the why I'm trying to share this information to with you in this particular YouTube video is because people should know what is this platform all about, what this LinkedIn platform, what is this investment bankers forum, how well people can get benefited out of it, so that you will get an idea like what and all they try to share. So there are many people involved in it. Okay, there are many people involved in it. They are able to manage it. Okay, so they are able to manage it. See here, even they have tagged my name, even though so here if you see they have tagged my name and other people's who are all able to help properly. I'm not sure why I'm not able to see my link. Okay, so no issue. Yeah, so page is visible. So here, as I've wanted to tell, so like try to make sure you be part of this investment banking forum session. So hope you would get benefited out of it, and try to spread this video to multiple set of people so that they will be aware about like what are the benefits of LinkedIn, how well we can utilize this platform in case if you are looking for job, if not if you are a knowledge seeking person, so it would definitely help everyone. Hope this video helps, and in case if you feel this video is really helpful, try to share it to your friends, colleague circle or family members who are interested to learn, so that it will get spreaded and spreaded, and let this good information go to different places in pan India or if not in Bangalore. All the best for everyone. Be safe, be happy.